Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to share you how to reduce PNG file size. I have a PNG file. Its size is 67.3 KB. I want to reduce its size for testing purpose. To do this, I will be visiting some sites like www.giftofspeed.com/png-compressor. Next site is compresspng.com and third site is tinypng.com. So check out first one. This is giftofspeed.com/png-compressor. Click on it. Its original size is 67.3 KB. It says total saved 53.8 KB. So it saves a lot of size. So save it. Let's check it out. It is our saved one. It has reduced the size from 67 KB to 13 KB. It's a wonderful site. Okay, next check our next site, that is compresspng.com. It is here. Upload PNG, the original PNG. It saves 70%. Download. Okay. Now check its size. It has reduced to 20 KB. So it is a bit less compression than our Gift of Speed site. It has reduced the 67 KB file to 16 KB, and our second site PNG compressed PNG reduces the file from 67 KB to 20 KB. So so far Gift of Speed is going well. Check out next site. In this video, tinypng. Our third site is tinypng.com. Grab your PNG or JPG files here. Click on it. Upload the original one. It has reduced the file from 67 KB to 23 KB. Click download. Save. So in this demo video, the best compression was given by the first site, that is giftofspeed.com/png-compressor. These are some sites you can use to reduce PNG files, because you need to upload them to your website or somewhere else, and so it may not take extra space. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching again.